In a big development, the Supreme Court on Friday modified its contentious August 8 order on stray dogs, directing their release to the same area after vaccination and deworming, a verdict that was met with jubilation by animal lovers. However, dogs with rabies or aggressive behavior would have to be immunized and kept in separate shelters, the top court directed. Prohibition on release of strays shall be stayed. They should be dewormed, vaccinated and sent back to the same area, the Supreme Court said, even as it expanded the scope of the case across India. The court said it would formulate a national policy after hearing the case in detail. The three-judge bench comprising Justice Vikram Nath, Justice Sandeep Mehta and Justice N.V. Anjaria also directed a host of other modifications to the August 8 order, which directed civic authorities in Delhi NCR to round up all stray dogs within 8 weeks and keep them in dedicated shelters. The case was reassigned to three-judge bench by the Chief Justice in a rare move after the order by the Justice Pardiwala-led bench sparked massive outrage. However, the top court strictly maintained that public feeding of stray dogs would not be permitted and action would be taken against violators. The court also allowed animal lovers to move applications for the adoption of the dogs, but added a caveat that it would be their responsibility to ensure that the strays are not returned to the streets. The court also directed each individual petitioner or NGOs that have approached it to deposit rupees 25,000 and rupees 2 lakh respectively. At the end, the Supreme Court said it would transfer to itself similar petitions pending in other high courts to formulate a national policy on the issue. The issue has hogged the limelight in Delhi and sparked widespread discussion on social media after the Justice Pardiwala-led bench directed the civic authorities in Delhi NCR to capture all stray dogs and hold them in shelters, barring their re-release into the streets. With that, Supreme Court gives big relief to dog lovers.